Your chaotic and messy times cannot be understood logically. Most people trying to understand with their mind things that they didn't experiencing yet. What I mean by that is, if there is something that I've learned through the past 6 years of inner transformation that I had, then trying to make sense logically of things that you are not living yet, it's not the answer. You must live through it. You must go through the chaos. You must go through your messy times. You must live fully. Then, when you are coming out of it, when you come out of it, you can understand what was happening to you. You can connect the dots. But you cannot make sense if you're fighting it, if you're resisting it, if you stop before experiencing the mess and you start understanding logically. You cannot understand something if you didn't go through it fully yet. So what we tend to do when there is a difficult times, that it could last days, weeks, months, but years. There are people that go through this period for years and they're still trying to understand this. And you're gonna get stuck there forever if you want to understand it before experiencing it. If you need to get angry, if you have to cry, if you feel desperate, be desperate, exhausted, whatever it is, let your emotions feel that thing fully, experiencing it, and start asking yourself deeper questions. What if life is trying to direct me toward a different path, a different opportunity, a different new beginnings? Am I following my passion, my enthusiasm, my excitement? Or am I suppressing it? Am I pretending those things don't exist? Okay, what am I afraid of? Why am I feeling like this? Am I acting or living my life from who I truly am? And if you don't know who you truly are, maybe what you are feeling right now, these messy times, are there for that reason, to stop you and let you reflect that maybe you are misaligned with what? You're misaligned with your heart. Who you truly are is not who is showing daily. You're not acting accordingly to who you truly are. That's why we get these chaotic and messy times. Stop by, instead of trying to understand it, live it, feel it, experiencing it, and trying to find lesson in it. Trying to find lessons and meaning in what you are experiencing it. That's how you're gonna look back and everything then, only then, when you're experiencing it, when you are coming out of it, can make sense. Not before. We usually stay stuck before we experience, because we are trying to understand it. We are trying to ask why, what it is, why I feel like this, without experiencing it. So if you are stuck right now in these chaotic and messy times, it's part of the process. You have to go through it. Challenges are there because you must go through challenges, because you need to learn lessons, you need to find meaning in it, wisdom. Those times will change you. You will become someone different. What if life is directing you toward a new path where it's required you to be someone new? I got inspired to make this video because I got a comment from a different account that I have on TikTok, where I show the book that I wrote. And I post one sentence that was in one of my chapter, and one of the comment was saying this. Someone said, "This is my 64th years, and I'm still trying to understand this." And I answered to this. I replied to this comment, and I got inspired to make this video. What if After all these years that you're still trying to understand, that's exactly your problem. You're still trying to understand it with your mind. Are you living it? Are you going through it? Are you feeling whatever you have to feel? Even if it's painful, even if it's challenging, are you asking yourself deeper questions? Am I living my life from who I truly am? Am I repressing or suppressing something? Is there something that I truly want to start, want to do, or explore that I'm not doing it? What if life is directing me toward a different path? There are 2 chapters in my book that speak about this. One is when everything falls apart, 1 and 2. And the other one is the break was the becoming, right? So this book, I wrote this book after 6 years of inner transformation. And during the 6 years of transformation, I journaled a lot. I wrote down everything that was in my mind, everything that I was feeling, everything that I was experiencing it. And after these 6 years, I got an idea and I said, what if I get all this deep reflection, this journaling that I did, some of them, and I put it into a book? And I realized that every single deep reflection was actually reflecting a phase of transformation. And so I put them in a book. That's why I got inspired to make this video, because someone commented. And I said, that's the problem. That's the problem. If you right now, you are feeling, you are living these chaotic and messy times, are you experiencing them? Are you giving yourself the possibility to feel, even if it's painful? Go through them instead of understanding. The understanding comes after. You're just early on your understanding. We experience first, we live first, then we look back and we connect the dots. Then we look back and we make sense of everything. But we cannot understand before experiencing it. Even Steve Jobs once said, you can only connect the dots looking backwards. You cannot connect the dots looking forward. Meaning that you need to step into it first. Then, eventually, you will look back and you will say, aha, this has happened because this is happened, and now that happened, and then now this is because of this is because of that. Now you are connecting the dots looking backwards, never looking forward. It's impossible, right? So if you are in this period right now, I highly recommend, because if you try to fight and resist in these times, it's even worse. When you go against it, it's even worse. So let it happen. Let the breakdown happen. Let the breakdown happen. Let the things that wants to fall apart fall apart. Don't resisting it. There is a reason there. There is a reason why things wants to fall apart. There is a reason why you need to feel the breakdown. It's during the breakdown that we grow the most, that we change, that we develop skills that we didn't think we had, that we remember who we truly are. It's in these moments. We don't just grow in moments of joy and happiness. In fact, we don't enjoy a moment, and in moments of joy and happiness, we just enjoy the moment. We don't grow there. We just enjoy the results that comes from moments of breakdown, of falling apart. There is a part of you, probably an identity, that wants to dissolve, that wants to change, that wants to fall apart, because maybe that identity is not anymore aligned with where life is directing you, with what you truly want. Something needs to fall apart. Let it happen. Then I can guarantee you, you will make sense of things. You will connect the dots. You will. But let it happen first. I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next one. Bye.